Hi, get ready for some exciting updates from the Open Network. Today, we're unveiling a major new fund for TON projects and a strategic partnership that's set to boost TON capabilities. These developments showcase TON growing momentum in the blockchain space. Let's dive right in. First up, TON Ventures has just announced the creation of a $40 million fund to support early-stage crypto projects within the TON ecosystem. This venture capital fund, spearheaded by former senior members of the TON Foundation, is designed to connect investors and developers with the vast opportunities that TON offers. TON Ventures will focus on supporting consumer applications that leverage Telegram's social graph, including Telegram mini apps. These are small applications integrated directly into Telegram, allowing users to access services without leaving the app. The fund will also back the development of tools and infrastructure that enable founders to build applications with mass appeal. Along with financial backing, selected projects will benefit from global resources, Telegram ads, media support, and strategic partnerships, all designed to boost their growth. Next, TON expansion continues with new listings on major exchanges. Binance has launched its first ever Binance Launch Pool and Super Earn event for TON, offering a total rewards pool of 9 million Toncoin. Daily rewards include over 300,000 Toncoin distributed to BNB and FDUSD stakers, while the new Binance Super Earn event offers special APRs and over 1.3 million Toncoin in rewards. Additionally, Turkey's largest crypto platform, BtcTurk, has announced the listing of Toncoin, with trading against the Turkish lira and USDT starting on August 15. BtcTurk serves over 5 million users, offering 24/7 lira deposits and withdrawals through 7 Turkish banks, making TON even more accessible to a broader audience. Moving forward, Injective, a leading DeFi platform, has integrated with the TON ecosystem, unlocking new possibilities for both communities. This integration enables seamless asset exchange, allowing TON coins and INJ coins to be utilized across both ecosystems. Users can now leverage TON coins within Injective's dApps, including its premier order book, DEX, Helix. In turn, Injective assets will be available on TON's Stone.fi DEX, expanding the utility and reach of both networks. Finally, TON has partnered with Pyth Network to enhance the developer experience with high-fidelity data. Pyth's Oracle will provide the fastest, most efficient, and reliable data available in Web3, significantly benefiting GameFi and DeFi projects on TON by enabling them to access real-time, high-fidelity price data. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things TON. See you next time.